If you could never picture yourself decorating for different seasons because you really don't even know how to start decorating your home for a regular day, girl, I got your back. Today I'm going to walk you through how I shop at Pottery Barn for fall decor. And I'm going to point out tips that make shopping for any season doable. Hey decor friend, I'm Tamara with Design Your Way Home, and I believe that decorating should not be difficult. So welcome to my internet home, where I break down decorating into easy to follow steps so that you can confidently turn your house into a home you love, one small space at a time. I just left Pottery Barn. It was so beautiful. I believe this is the It's the fourth store I've gone into this season to look for fall decor, and I have to say that this is the store that had the best setup for tablescapes. So I got some really good video to show you exactly all the beautiful accessories you can get for your tabletops. I got some for your bedrooms, and I'm just so excited to show you. So let's get to it. Let's walk in and see what they have for home decor for the fall. So I love that as soon as you walk in, they've got smell goods. I think that when you walk into your home, it's nice that you set the ambiance with nice scents and aromas, and that's what Pottery Barn's doing right here. So you'll see they've got candles, they've got votives, they've got some diffusers. It all looks super pretty. And so one of the tips that I use when I go shopping is these people are home decor experts. If they have something set up in a certain display or arrangement, take a picture. A lot of times you can take bits and pieces of that and incorporate that into the decor and design for your own home. So here is a super cozy bed display. And what makes this more fall-like and getting you ready for autumn is the layers upon layers of comforters and blankets. It's a great way for Pottery Barn to display everything that you can get in their store, but it's also a good way to show you different ways of styling your bed. So this yellow, or I should say mustard color comforter or duvet cover that you see at the bottom of the bed here, it is part of their fall collection. And if you've watched my other shop with me videos from the different stores, you'll notice that mustard is huge this season. So if you're looking to decorate your home in colors that aren't the traditional orange and brown, mustard is a good color to consider. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is where I saw the Pottery Barn scent collection. There are so many warm weather scents here to choose from. They've got Harvest Spice, there's the Citrus Clove scent, and some more year-round scents like Fern Grove. And the cool thing about the entire scent collection is that you can get them in so many varieties. So there's potpourri, there are the diffusers, and then there are the votives as well as the super large candles. Okay, so one of the things that I love about this display with Pottery Barn is that not only do you get to see their fall-inspired accessories on display, but you also get to see how you could potentially decorate your own home with them. So with this sofa set, you also see how the end table and how the coffee table is decorated for fall. These pillow covers that you see have different styles, and so they are also showing you how you can effortlessly mix and match pillowcases. I actually dig really deep into how to mix and match patterns when it comes to pillowcases or curtains or other fabrics in your home in my Decorating Made Easy Power Pack. If you want to be able to mix and match patterns yourself, I'm going to put the link in the description box. Now, I thought this was super cute because I've seen so many pumpkins and pine cones this season that you can use to decorate bowls or use as vase fillers. I haven't seen acorns, and as a girl that grew up in Virginia, I gotta say, I think it's pretty cool to see acorns being used to decorate your home for fall. So I was drawn to this, and of course the candle. I don't know if you noticed, but these two items are placed on a tray, and there's a reason for that. The reason is because when you start to put so many decorative items on any surface, whether it's a dresser, whether it's your kitchen table or your countertop, if you don't have a grounding element, things just look crowded. But as soon as you put all of those different decorative accessories together on a tray or a cutting board or some type of grounding element, it looks purposeful and it looks beautiful. I'm standing in the middle of the store here and I'm just panning around. You'll find everything from throw pillows, and these look super comfy. And over here you see some baskets. These look perfect to warm you up in the cool weather. You'll find some of the faux plants, and then you'll see the table display. I'm going to show you that closer up in a minute. If you didn't catch the other Shop With Me videos, I said that the baskets are pretty much a must-have for fall. If you want to take your blankets and store them somewhere and not have them on your sofa the entire time, or same thing for throw pillows. If you have a sofa that's not very deep and you can't sit on the sofa as well as have your throw pillows on there at the same time, a basket's a great place to be able to toss your throw pillows in while you get comfy on your sofa. So this display was at one of the front tables. You'll see me rubbing my fingers across this pumpkin because it had a pretty unusual texture. It looked super realistic in person, and it wasn't like shiny or smooth like some of the other pumpkins. It had a little bit of texture to it, so I liked it a lot. And as we walk around the table, you'll see all the other accessories that they have styled for fall. It looks very pretty. Okay, so here is the table setting that I told you I would let you get a closer look at. The team at Pottery Barn did an amazing job setting up this table. I was drawn to so many elements on it. One of them you'll see me pick up and kind of turn over and look at because I was trying to figure out what it was, because I want to get it for my own home. It's so pretty, but I didn't know what to use it for. According to the Pottery Barn website, this is the Ridge Maple Leaf stoneware set used for appetizers. So if you are planning on having friends and family come over for Thanksgiving or any time during this fall season, these are a super cute way to display your appetizers or to have your friends and family grab appetizers from a bigger container and put it on their own appetizer plate. Now, looking at this table setting, you'll also see that the napkins are laid across the plate, and Pottery Barn also has napkin ring holders that you can get for the fall. Now, what you see me holding here is something else that caught my eye, and I didn't quite know what to do with it. But this is part of the figural pumpkin serveware set. And looking at the pictures on their website, you can put nuts in there like pistachio or olives and leave it on the table as part of your appetizer or pre-meal food. This pumpkin garland can be used to decorate your dining room table, your buffet table, or your entry table. I'm not sure if this is flexible and can be bent to go around a door, but you might want to check that out, because if it is, I could see it being very pretty either at your front door or the door to certain rooms in your home. When I walked over to the checkout area, I noticed these pine cone candles. I thought that they looked so cute and so realistic. The flame that they have makes it look realistic, but you don't have to worry about it ruining the beautiful pine cone shape of the candle. There were so many tables set up, so many different ways for you to decorate in your home and to arrange your table setting or just any rooms that you plan to decorate for fall. There are so many options here.